Everybody, I just wanted to have a quick chat about unfair contract terms. I'm bringing this up now because the legal landscape in Australia has just significantly shifted, with new laws coming into effect as of November 9th. Now, under the previous regime, if you were relying on a contract that had a term that was considered unfair, really the worst that would happen is that term would just be struck out or voided from the contract. But under this new legal regime, companies are facing fines of up to $50 million for preparing or relying on a contract with an unfair term. But what makes a term unfair in the first place? Well, if it is not necessary to protect the legitimate interests of you or your startup, if it gives you a disproportionate advantage over the other party, and if the enforcement of it would result in financial detriment to the other party, then that's likely going to be a UCT. For startups in particular, an industry that makes heavy use of tick-the-box standard form terms and conditions, it's really important to be abreast of these changes. Some red flags to look out for in your contracts might include over-the-top limitations of liability, one-way indemnities that are disproportionate, automatic renewal terms. Any sort of clause that goes past that threshold of protecting your legitimate interests may be considered a UCT. So look, if you're concerned that maybe you're using or relying on a contract that contains unfair terms, give us a call and we can talk.